I'm going to show you how to add images to notes in Google Keep. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. The first step is to open your browser, so it could be anything. And the next one is to make sure you go to this website of Google Keep. So it's keep.google.com. So after you're here, right off the bat, you can see this option that says take a note. So we just need to focus over here, and now you can see the option of image right here. Just go ahead and tap here, and now just select the image that you want to add to your story. Tap on open. And now you can see that you have successfully added an image to note. So you can choose to archive it, you can add an image to it again. There's option of background options, collaborators, remind me, and more. You can also choose to delete the note through here. So that's how you do it.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.